Out development initiatives in Chandigarh. After inaugurating a new terminal at the airport, he set the ball rolling for a new housing scheme of the Chandigarh Housing Board. Addressing students at the 34th convocation of Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, PM told them to focus on the patient and not on illness and adopt a holistic approach towards wellness.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was in Chandigarh on a day-long tour, brought with him a number of gifts for the Union Territory. The first was the inauguration of a new international terminal at Chandigarh Airport, which will handle both domestic as well as international flights. The Prime Minister dedicated to the nation the modern facility, which is expected to boost economic and industrial development in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh.
एक प्रकार से पंजाब हो, हरियाणा हो, हिमाचल हो, चंडीगढ़ हो और जम्मू कश्मीर भी हो, इस सारे इलाके के लिए ये हवाई सेवा की सुविधाएं आर्थिक विकास के लिए बहुत बड़ी अहम भूमिका अदा करेंगी.
Designed on the green building concept, the terminal in Mohali is spread over 53,000 square kilometers and can handle 1,600 passengers, including 450 international travelers during peak time. Another highlight of the visit was the Prime Minister's address to students at the 34th convocation of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research. Invoking Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda, the Prime Minister stated that doctors have a huge responsibility in serving humanity, especially the poor.
हम जो कुछ भी बनते हैं हमारी अपनी बदौलत नहीं बनते हैं. हर प्रकार के समाज के लोगों का कुछ न कुछ योगदान होता है. हर किसी ने हमारे जीवन को बदल लाने में कोई न कोई रोल अदा किया होता है. मतलब ये हुआ कि हम सरकार के कारण डॉक्टर नहीं बने हैं, हम समाज के कारण बने हैं और समाज का ऋण ये चुकता करना हमारा दायित्व बनता है.
Prior to this, the Prime Minister met students and also participated in a tree planting initiative. He also gave away gold medals to doctors who completed their postgraduate degrees at PGI-MER. Next on the agenda was the inauguration of a new housing scheme, handing over keys and papers to 10 allottees under the General Self-Financing Housing Scheme of Chandigarh Housing Board and promised housing for all by 2022.
एक सपना मेरा, वो सपना है 2022 में जब भारत की आजादी के 75 साल हो, तब हिंदुस्तान के गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति को भी रहने के लिए उसको अपना घर मिल जाए, ये काम मैंने सर पे लिया.
During his rally in Chandigarh, he also met ex-servicemen. While referring to OROP, the Prime Minister slammed the earlier regime for denying veterans their rights.
पुरानी किसी सरकार ने वन रैंक वन पेंशन ये क्या है, उसके कारण क्या जिम्मेवारी आने वाली है, उसके कारण क्या क्या कदम उठाने पड़ेंगे, सरकार ने कभी इस दिशा में सोचा ही नहीं.
Also part of his agenda was the inauguration of a citizen-friendly website on the occasion of the launch of Smart Mobile app. All in all, it was a visit to mark a step forward in the government's development agenda, as also a reiteration of its seriousness of its Smart Cities project. With inputs from Anuj Yadav and Usha Pawar, Newsnight Desk, DD News.